The RCI Elite Rewards World MasterCard issued by Barclays is a highly specialized financial tool designed specifically for timeshare owners who frequently use the RCI exchange network. This card starts off strong by offering 5 times rewards for every single dollar spent on eligible RCI purchases. This is a massive win for members because it covers the inevitable costs of timeshare ownership like subscribing membership renewals, exchange fees, guest certificate fees, and even extra vacations or last call bookings. Beyond the RCI ecosystem, the card remains useful for the modern traveler by offering 2 times rewards on a broad travel and commuter category. This includes the expected expenses like airfare, hotels, car rentals, and cruises, but it also intelligently covers daily commuting costs such as gas, electric vehicle charging, and ride shares. One of the most significant benefits for those who can commit to using this as their primary card is the $250 annual vacation credit. To earn this, you need to reach $10,000 in net purchases within a calendar year. This essentially acts as a 2.5% return on that initial $10,000 spend, which can go a long way in offsetting the costs of a getaway. There is also a unique redemption kickback bonus where you get 5% of your points back every time you redeem them, which helps fuel your next trip a little faster. Because there is no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees, it serves as a great companion for international travel without adding a yearly cost to your wallet. For people looking to manage existing debt, there is a 0% introductory APR for 15 months on balance transfers made within the first 45 days of account opening. However, it is important to weigh these perks against some notable drawbacks. The baseline earning rate is quite weak at only 1 reward point per dollar for any purchase outside of RCI or general travel, such as groceries or retail. This means it is not the most efficient card for everyday non-travel spending. The rules for the vacation credit are also quite rigid. It must be used through a specific portal at vacationbonusbucks.com, depends on inventory availability, and expires after 13 months. Furthermore, the sign-up bonus is relatively low at 5,000 bonus rewards after your first purchase, which is only valued at $50. While this is easy to earn, it pales in comparison to other travel cards on the market. You also need to watch out for redemption thresholds, as some travel bookings require at least 2,500 points, which could leave you with orphan points if you do not spend enough. While the introductory interest rate is helpful, the 5% balance transfer fee is on the higher end of the market. Looking at the financial specifics, the purchase APR is a variable rate ranging from 19.24% to 29.49% based on the prime rate. After the introductory period, the balance transfer APR also reverts to that same variable range of 19.24% to 29.49%. The cash advance APR is even higher at a variable 29.74%. Other fees to keep in mind include a 5% cash advance fee with a $10 minimum and a minimum interest charge of 50 cents. In my opinion, this card is an excellent niche tool if you are already an active RCI member paying these fees anyway, but it requires a disciplined strategy to truly pay off. It solves the pain point of expensive timeshare maintenance and exchange fees by turning those costs into future travel. However, if you are not a timeshare owner or if you tend to carry a balance month to month, the high interest rates will quickly wipe out any rewards you earn. In summary, the RCI Elite Rewards World MasterCard is a powerful asset for the dedicated RCI Power user who spends at least $10,000 annually to trigger that big vacation credit. The risks involve the high variable APR of up to 29.49% and the potential for points to be less flexible than cash. If you carry a balance, the interest charges and the 5% transfer fees could outweigh the benefits of the reward points and the $50 sign-up bonus.